That was awesome. Now we have the dashing and beautiful girls over here. Contestant number one, Praveen. Now here is contestant number two, Anjali.
I'm trying
Contestant number three, guys, Mukta.
from truths that I'm hiding, and now I'm finding place to
Now number four, Ashish.
emotions. I'm trying, I'm clashing from truths that I'm
Last but not the least, Megha.
finding a place to just fight this and times is changing, life is breaking, wonder where you are without you, this cold and shaking, emotions that are fighting, feelings that are lying here to be back in me.
These are our contestants. So हम चाहते हैं कि एक बार contestant अपना intro एक बार फिर से दे दें. So starting with one, just a name.
Hello, good evening all. Here's Anjali from Jodhpur, from Jaipuriya, Noida. I've done my graduate in BCom from Janan Vyas University, and I love dancing, making friends. That's all.
Hello everyone, I'm Pravleen. I'm from Shillong. I've done my BBA from St. Anthony's College, Shillong. I'm pursuing my PGDM in Jaipuriya, Noida. And I love dancing. I like communicating with people. That's all. Thank you.
A very good evening to all of you. I think we all are enjoying. Are we? Hi, this is Karthik Mishra and I'm from Jodhpur. I'm a BBA graduate and I'm from PGDM section B. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Hi, my name is Dipinder Singh. I am from Amritsar, Punjab. My hobbies are playing sports and singing, and I am done my graduation from Amritsar also, and I am a BCom graduate. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all present here. I, Megha Mahajan. I'm from Haryana. I love making friends and doing interaction with everyone. I'm a girl being loved by all. Thank you.
Hey, hi, everyone here. Woo! Hi, I'm Puneet from Amritsar. I've done my BSc Economics from Amritsar. Right now, I'm really enjoying this ramp walk. Are you?
Hello, my dear friends. Respected teachers. Good evening to all of you. This is Amresh Singh from Patna, Bihar. I have completed my BBA from Sikkim Manipal University, Calcutta. And I have done my schooling from Patna, from PGDM section A. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. Good evening. As you all know, myself Kamal Rana. I am from Yamunanagar, Jagadri. Now I am pursuing in a PGDM in Jaipuriya Institute of Management. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Anyone?
Hello.
Hi, it's me, Mukta. I did my BTech in IT from HIT, and right now I'm in front of you enjoying the fresher. Thank you.
Right on.
Good evening, all of you. Good evening. My name is Ashish Shukla. I'm from Muradabad. I've done my graduation from Dehradun, Dennis University of Petroleum and Energy Studies. I love to communicate with people. That's all. I'm from PGDM section A.
Well, it was a mind-blowing performance and intro, I guess. Coming to our judges. So this is a question and answer round where judges are going to ask questions from you and you need to reply from them. So the first question, that is
For contestant number one, boys.
Good evening.
evening, sir.
So just how you will describe your Jaipuri experience so far?
I will describe my Jaipur experience as a mix goodie bag, because the thing is, the day when I came here, I experienced a lot of, from the day when I came here, I've experienced lots of new things. Like, I have made lots of new friends, I have came across a lots of very talented and very professional and very cooperative faculty. And I think the life in Jaipur is super awesome. Yes or no? Yeah! Let's rock it, guys! We are Gym Knights! Yeah! Thank you, sir.
That was a very good answer. And now we will have the first contestant from the girls.
Smile, please. Smile, please.
Good evening. Good evening. Can you just share the favorite moment of your life?
It's a difficult one because every time you are with your family, your friends, it's a beautiful moment. It's very difficult. Actually, the best moment in my life will be all the festivals I celebrated with my family, because a family is a very, very important part of ourselves. So every festival which I celebrate with my family is a very special moment for me.
Great, thanks.
Really, it was really charming one because family is the most important thing in one's life. So the next contestant.
Exactly, Meghna.
Thank you, sir.
Now, contestant number 2 from boys. Kanchan ma'am, please.
Very good evening, sir.
Hello. Yeah, Kamal, this side. My question to you is, why should we choose you, Mr. Fresher?
Ma'am, first of all, I want to tell you about myself. I'm from Yamuna Nagar, Jagadri, and in previous year I done my graduation from Mukalla National College. And in previous year, I was appointed as a president of Commerce Association due to my hard work and teamwork. So in this, we used to organize many functions, and this is kind of my personality. So I urge you to please select me as a fresher. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamal.
Kamal, it was really, really inspirational thing that being a leader, being a promoter of anything is very important.
And it seems that Kamal is very hardworking.
Yeah.
So now we'll have contestant number 2 from girls. And
Evening, teacher.
Hi Anjali. Anjali, this is one question that was asked to me as well. If given a chance to choose between career and taking care of household, what will you choose?
Ma'am, we can't choose one thing as the career. As we have the career, then also we can then only we can have the household work. But coming point to choosing one, then we'll choose household work because our family is dependent. If we hold our house, then our family is depend on us. And for career, only we are dependent. Then we have to work for our family. So it's better to take as an option of household.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anjali.
thank you so much, ma'am.
I think that Anjali, whatever Anjali has said, that can be taken into consideration. Now, the next contestant.
Now the next contestant is contestant number 3 from boys.
Hello Amrish. Can you share the most challenging point till date?
Sir, I would like to explain my that experience in Hindi. Actually, सर जब मैं कलकत्ता में था, मम्मी पापा से अलग रहता था, वहाँ पे मैं अपना BBA कंप्लीट किया। एक दिन मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, मैं शाम में बिना बताए जस्ट नाइट आउट के लिए निकल गया। वहाँ पे मैं ये नहीं सोचा कि बिना बताए, बिना कुछ सोचे समझे ऐसे निकलना चाहिए, बट मैं निकल गया। वहाँ जाने के बाद मेरे साथ बहुत बुरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ। ऐसा एक्सीडेंट हुआ कि मैं जैसा लगा कि दोबारा जन्म हो गई मेरी। उस दिन मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझा कि मैं बच गया। बुरी तरह मैं जख्मी हो गया था, बट मैं बच गया। थैंक टू गॉड एंड थैंक्स टू माई मॉम एंड डैड।
I think he has a good support from the audience.
Yeah, exactly. But Amrish, I think you should take into consideration that you should tell your family before going out. Okay. The next contestant.
Now the next contestant is Mugdha, contestant number 3 from girls. And I would like to ask Pratibha ma'am to ask a question.
Hello, hi Mugdha.
Hi ma'am.
My question to you is, with the help of a same example, can you differentiate between confidence and overconfidence?
Good evening all of you, and thank you for the question, ma'am. Yes ma'am, confidence and overconfidence. I am standing here and I am confident that I will win. And overconfidence is that no one else will win, only I will win. Thank you. Mugdha, it was really an heart-taking answer.
And it was a very confident answer.
Confident and on 41 also.
Yeah. And now we have contestant number 4 from boys side, and it's Guneet. And now I would like, ma'am, please, question.
That was very sudden. But anyways, thank you. I would just ask you that can you share with all of us the biggest challenge that you have faced till date? The biggest challenge in life. Yeah, thank you.
The biggest challenge I faced in my life was when I was climbing with a tree, and I have just was going to lose my life. When I was just 5 years old, I went to Vaishno Devi with my family, and I just fell down from that particular place where I was standing. So there was a deep valley inside, and I was just going to get away from this earth. But by chance I got a tree in my hand and stuck to that, and then that horseman came to me and get me up. So that was the most challenging day of my life.
Thank you.
I think there are many daredevils in our batch this time. Are you agreeing with this point? Yes.
Yes, of course. नहीं इतनी जल्दी कहाँ. Now we have contestant number 4 from girls side, and it's Ashi. And now I would request Nimit sir to ask a question. Hi Ashi, this side.
Hello sir.
My question to you: if you had been given a choice to date with Lalu Prasad or Abhishek Bachchan, whom you would choose and why?
Thank you for your question, sir. Good evening, all of you. I would obviously choose Abhishek Bachchan because he is famous. He is.
So is Lalu.
Lalu actually he is corrupt. I think.